Hello everybody, this is Mark with WTI. Have you ever wondered what's the best protectant for your tires? Well, VRP by Chemical Guys is the perfect and easy to use protectant to restore a deep black look to your tires. It enhances the shine, making them look brand new, and the best part, it protects the surface against UV solar rays. And that's not it. You could use this for all type of plastics, rubber, and vinyl, not just on the exterior of your vehicle, but you can also use it for the interior of the vehicle. And what this protectant does, it keeps your trims and plastics and vinyls looking like new for weeks, not just days. How does it do it? Well, it penetrates deep into the pores of plastic, rubber, and vinyl, and it restores, it protects the surface to factory new condition. I use this for all of my vehicles when it comes to trim pieces, bumper moldings, side mirrors, and much more. So when it comes to protection and shine enhancer, VRP is the way to go. And that's just my point of view.